Hi. Welcome to the next episode of Random and Ruhi. So, yesterday I randomly decided to fulfill my wish of getting my ears pierced. So, I've been wanting to get them pierced for a very long time, and yesterday, randomly, I decided to act upon it. So, I did some extensive research and found this tattoo piercing studio relatively close to my place. I actually have a tattoo artist whom I really like. He already has a piercing and tattoo studio, but he's very far off and traveling in Bangalore, you know. So, yeah, I found this place and I'm going there to get my ears pierced. Where am I going? I'm taking you with me. Come, let's go.
Expected pain level and how much was this?
So much pain I've gone through, life is nothing.
Hi, guys. I'm back from randomly fulfilling my wish of getting my ears pierced. Ta da! So, the ear we already know is made up of a connective tissue called the cartilage, which is elastic in nature because of which it is able to move. So the piercings that I have got are on the main part of the cartilage, the helix, and the vertical helix or the Bugadi piercing. So the earrings that I have put on are implant grade titanium. It's highly recommended that we use implant grade titanium or steel that's hypoallergenic and gentle on the skin. So it prevents the chances of any kind of irritation, inflammation, and infection that comes along with other materials like silver or gold. So, yeah, as you already know, I went to show up tattoo and piercing, and the piercing was done by Venu, who did a very thorough job. So I thought I would have some tears in my eyes because a needle is going to go through and it's going to be painful. I did have tears, but not because of the pain, but because of the incense sticks that were lit. Jokes apart. So if I were to rate the pain on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest and 1 being the least, I think life and challenges in life is way more painful than these piercings. So I would give the Bugadi or the vertical helix a 3 and the helix because the skin here is fatter and more. I would give it a 4 or a 5. Um, how was my experience? It was good. The entire procedure was safe, hygienic, and thoroughly explained by Venu. I would recommend you guys check Show Up Tattoo and Piercing. So Venu also explained the aftercare procedure really well and in detail, answered all my doubts and questions. Um, it's definitely recommended to use a gentle, fragrance-free soap or cleanser on the piercings and apply an antiseptic cream. And of course, dabbing of the rock salt in water is definitely recommended. And yes, I shall take care of these piercings well and let them heal well as well. It takes a good 60 days, 45 to 60 days is what has been told. So I shall let you know, or you shall see me with these piercings very soon after they have healed very well. Um, so do check out Show Up Tattoo and Piercing. And yes, I would definitely recommend you all to randomly go and fulfill wishes. I randomly fulfilled my wish that I have been having for quite some time now of getting my ears pierced. So 1 year is done. I shall get the other year done soon because I have to get both the ears done. Um, was this process enjoyable? Was randomly fulfilling my wish enjoyable? Yes. Was it painful? Not as painful as life and challenges, especially heartbreaks. It was a tad bit painful, but I'm okay with it because pain is gain. So if you do like this episode of Random and Ruhi, do like and share and comment. Also, do subscribe to our channel, Janvika Academy, and share it with all your contacts, friends, and family, and colleagues, and to everyone basically. Yeah, so keep watching the space for more episodes of Random and Ruhi. See you. Bye bye.